Hello, and I'm going to make a very quick video about how to wire up a ESP32 chip to a WS2151, whatever these are, arrays. These are RGB arrays, 8x8, so that's 64 pixels. And you can do all sorts of lovely clever things with them, but this is how to do it really quickly. On the back there are two lots of connectors. One of them will have data in, one of them will have data out. You want the data in. You then need some wire. I've very conveniently got some 4-strand ribbon cable, and I'm going to only use 3 strands of this because that's all you need. I'll pull one off afterwards. It's got a black, green, red, blue wire, and I'm just going to use the black for negative, the green for data, and the red for positive, and that's all we're going to need. These 3 components. So I'm very quickly gonna now go into that. So because of the camera situation, I can't actually show you me soldering it, but basically I've tinned these 4 wires, and you see this blue one. I'm just gonna recklessly pull that one right off. We only need 3 wires. So now we've got the red, the green, and the black, and they're both tinned. I'm going to trim them just to about 3 millimeters so that they'll tuck in very nicely into the ESP. And there you have it, tinned, trimmed, and ready for soldering. Now I'm going to tin our connections, number 1, number 2, and number 4. That's all you need to do, just a tiny amount of solder. And then we're going to take our appropriate wires. I'm going to pull them back a bit so we've got enough room for twisting them around. And I'm going to add, first of all, the red to number 1. Let's see if I can get this nice. Yeah, can I get this nice? Red to number 1. Just lay it on there very quick. There's a and number 4. And that's it. So now we're going to take our LED array and do more or less the same thing. So this one says out, so that's the in. There we go, the voltage minus, the voltage, the data in, and voltage plus. So that's going to be black, green, and red. And once again, I'm just going to very quickly tin them. So it was black, green, and red. So that's very convenient because that's exactly how it's arranged here. So black, red here, green, and black. And black. Okay, so now you have it. The wires are all soldered. Now, the next part is to program this little chip here. And we do that by plugging into our USB. We just plug that into a computer USB. Open up Chrome. We need Chrome for this. And then we're going to go to the WLED site. So I'm just going to set up the camera to look at this screen. Now sitting on my keyboard, there's the ESP32, there's the LED array. Now because I'm holding this in my hand, I'm going to have to put it down and plug it in. And you'll see all the lights start flashing and everything like that. These lights won't flash yet, but they will. Now, okay, so having plugged it in, and now I've opened up Chrome and I've gone to install.wled.me, and this is the most fantastic little website. You just go down to install. It will detect your device there. You click connect. It says install WLED. Do you want to erase it? Yes. Erase device. There's probably only a bootloader on that. Next. I really do want to install it. Yes, there we go. That live is the time. Okay, so very briefly, we've now programmed our data chip, our ESP32. It's now programmed with WLED in it, and I'm just going to run through a few very simple demonstrations of the many parts it's got. One of the things we have to do first is to configure it. So we go up into the config section of the so when you visit the screen, visit the ASP32 first time, it'll ask you, and you click visit, and the first thing you need to do is configure it. So I'm going to go into the config. That's this one here, the right in the middle of the top line, and under LED preferences, we tell it that it's got start length 64, data GPI is 4. So we told it how big the 64 is. It's 8 by 8, so that's 64. And then our GPIO is number 4. And when we save that, that will take us back to the beginning, and then we're able to light the lights and see what happens. So I'm now going to point the camera back to the LEDs and give you a quick demo. Okay, a quick demo. We're going to take the power on, and we're going to spin a few blink rainbow BPM candle, dancing shadows, freak map, heartbeat, multi-comet, phased, kind of like that one, railway, running dual solid pattern, fading spots. So there we go. You can vary the speed, you can vary the hue, you can set it to solid colors. Here's a solid blue. Come on, solid blue, solid red, solid blue again, solid green, and various other colors in between. Okay, power off.